Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix lagging issues in Where Winds Meet on PC Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen and click on Library. This will display all the games currently installed in your Steam account. Now, I don't actually have Where Winds Meet in my library list, but I'm going to walk you through the exact steps as if I did. Let's pretend that I have Where Winds Meet installed, and I'll demonstrate the process using that example. In your library, right-click on Where Winds Meet and select Properties from the drop-down menu that appears. This will open a new window with various settings and options for the game. Look for the option that says Enable the Steam overlay while in-game, and you'll see a toggle switch right beside it. Go ahead and toggle this off. Disabling the Steam overlay can significantly reduce lag since it stops the extra overlay process from running while you're playing. Next, look at the left panel of the Properties window and click on Installed Files. This section contains important tools for managing your game installation. Once you're there, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will check all your game files and automatically replace any corrupted or missing ones that might be causing performance issues. Give it a moment to complete the verification process. Now, here's an optional but highly effective step. If you currently have Where Winds Meet saved on your HDD, you can move it to your SSD. This fixes loading stutter and world streaming lag significantly since SSDs have much faster read and write speeds compared to traditional hard drives. To do this, look for Move Install folder inside the Installed Files section. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. Select your SSD from the drop-down menu, then click Move to proceed. The game will begin transferring to your SSD, which may take several minutes depending on the game's size. Additionally, you need to update your GPU drivers. Outdated graphics drivers are one of the most common causes of game lag and poor performance. Head to your graphics card manufacturer's website, whether that's Nvidia, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your specific GPU model. Install them and restart your computer to ensure the changes take effect. And that's it. You've now optimized Where Winds Meet to run smoother on your PC by disabling the Steam overlay, verifying game files, potentially moving it to an SSD, and updating your GPU drivers. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.